What's your experience with Yacht Controller?
Okay, it's a life before and after. After you have this, everything is different. You could dock your boat alone. Don't need nobody to help you, and it's the best thing that I could buy to my boat. If I overall everything that I have bought to my boat, I have it Riviera 51 feet, and when I get to my dock, I don't need help. I dock alone with this. This is wonderful. It's the best thing I ever buy.
Say it's a good experience?
No, the experience is fantastic. When I go to outshore and my wife is in the front, I do everything and she only throws the cables and all that. But if wind goes to the side, with the boat floater, the stem floater, it works with everything. So you push the boat in the side, and we alone have a 51 feet boat, and we have no problem after we have this. Before this, we never get out.